Hello, welcome to our English lesson today. I am Mr. Only. I am very happy to see you here. Learning English is a great journey. It takes time and patience. Today we will practice simple greetings. We will talk about how to speak with neighbors and family. This is very important for daily life. We want you to feel confident. We want you to speak clearly. Sarah and I will help you. We will speak slowly. We will use simple words. Do not worry if you are a beginner. This lesson is for you. Please listen carefully to our voices. Try to repeat the words after us. Repetition is the key to learning. Let us start our lesson now. You can do this.
Hello, everyone. I am Sarah. I am so glad to be your teacher today. Mr. Only and I have a great plan for you. We are going to imagine a normal day. Imagine you are at home. You see your family in the morning. Then you go outside. You see your neighbor. What do you say? How do you start a conversation? We will show you. We will use very easy English. We will focus on being polite and friendly. Mr. Only and I will act out many scenes. You will hear how to say hello and how to ask about someone's day. It is easy and fun. Let us begin our main conversation now.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Only. I am doing very well, thank you. How are you feeling this morning?
I am feeling great, Sarah. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day to talk to neighbors.
Yes, Mr. Only, it is a lovely day. I saw our neighbor, Mrs. Smith, earlier today.
That is nice, Sarah. Did you say hello to her?
Yes, Mr. Only, I said hello. I asked her how she was doing.
What did she say to you, Sarah?
She said she was fine, Mr. Only. She was going to the market to buy some fresh bread.
I like fresh bread, Sarah. It smells very good in the morning.
I agree, Mr. Only. I also saw my brother in the kitchen this morning.
Is your brother doing well today, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, he is very happy. He is eating breakfast right now.
What is he eating for breakfast, Sarah?
He is eating eggs and toast, Mr. Only. It is his favorite meal.
That sounds like a healthy breakfast, Sarah. Did you say good morning to him?
Yes, Mr. Only, I said good morning. I also asked if he wanted some orange juice.
Did he want the juice, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, he said yes, please. He was very thirsty.
It is good to be kind to family, Sarah. Small greetings make everyone happy.
You are right, Mr. Only. When I see my neighbor later, I will smile and wave.
That is a good idea, Sarah. Smiling is a universal language.
Mr. Only, do you usually talk to your neighbors in the afternoon?
Yes, Sarah. I often see them when I get the mail. I always say hello.
What do you say after you say hello, Mr. Only?
I usually ask about their garden, Sarah. My neighbors love their flowers.
That is a friendly topic, Mr. Only. Everyone likes to talk about their hobbies.
Exactly, Sarah. It makes the neighborhood a friendly place to live.
Mr. Only, what should I say if I am in a hurry but I see a friend?
You should still be polite, Sarah. You can say hello and explain you are busy.
Can I say, hello, I am sorry, but I have to go now, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, that is perfect. It is honest and it is kind.
Thank you for the advice, Mr. Only. I want to be a good neighbor.
You are already a good neighbor, Sarah. You have a kind heart.
I try my best, Mr. Only. I think saying good morning is the best way to start the day.
I agree with you, Sarah. It sets a positive tone for everything else.
Mr. Only, do you think people like it when we use their names?
Yes, Sarah. Using a person's name is very special. It shows you care.
Then I will try to remember all my neighbors' names, Mr. Only.
That is a wonderful goal, Sarah. It will make your conversations even better.
Mr. Only, what if I forget a name? What should I do?
It is okay to ask again, Sarah. You can say, "I'm sorry, can you tell me your name again?"
Is that not rude, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah, it is not rude. People understand that we forget sometimes.
That makes me feel better, Mr. Only. I will not be afraid to ask.
That is the spirit, Sarah. Learning English is about being brave.
I am learning a lot today, Mr. Only. Thank you for talking with me.
You are welcome, Sarah. I enjoy our conversations very much.
Mr. Only, should we practice more greetings for the evening?
Yes, Sarah, let us do that. When it is late, we say good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Only. Did you have a productive day?
Yes, Sarah, I did. I finished my work and I took a long walk.
That sounds very peaceful, Mr. Only. Did you see anyone on your walk?
I saw the mailman, Sarah. I said good evening to him.
What did the mailman say to you, Mr. Only?
He said good evening and told me to have a nice night, Sarah.
People are very polite in this town, Mr. Only.
They are, Sarah. Politeness goes a long way in every language.
Mr. Only, I am going to see my sister tonight. What should I say to her?
You can say, "Hi, sister. It is good to see you, Sarah."
That is simple and sweet, Mr. Only. I will say that.
You can also ask her how her day was at school or work, Sarah.
I will ask her, how was your work today, sister? Is that correct, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, that is perfectly correct. She will be happy you asked.
I want my family to know I care about them, Mr. Only.
They know you care, Sarah. Your words show your love.
Mr. Only, do you think greetings are different in different countries?
Sometimes they are, Sarah, but a hello and a smile are always good.
I will remember that, Mr. Only. Hello and a smile.
You are a fast learner, Sarah. You make teaching very easy.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You are a very patient teacher.
We are a good team, Sarah. We help each other.
Yes, Mr. Only, we do. Let us keep practicing our English.
I am ready, Sarah. Let us think of more things to say to our family.
Mr. Only, sometimes my mother asks me if I am hungry.
That is a very common question in families, Sarah.
I usually say, "Yes, Mother, I am very hungry, Mr. Only."
And then she probably cooks something delicious for you, Sarah.
Yes, Mr. Only, she is a great cook. I love her soup.
You should tell her, "This soup is delicious, Mother," Sarah.
I will tell her that tonight, Mr. Only. She will smile big.
It is important to give compliments to our family, Sarah.
I agree, Mr. Only. It makes the home a happy place.
What about your father, Sarah? What do you say to him?
I say, "Hello, Father. Did you have a good day at work, Mr. Only?"
That is a very respectful greeting, Sarah.
He usually says he is tired but happy to be home, Mr. Only.
Then you can say, "Please sit down and rest, Father," Sarah.
That is a kind thing to say, Mr. Only. I will remember that.
You are very thoughtful, Sarah. Your family is lucky to have you.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I am lucky to have them too. Mr. Only, what do you say to your neighbors when they have a new car?
I say, "Wow, your new car looks very nice, Mr. Only."
That is a great compliment, Sarah. People like it when you notice new things.
Should I ask them if they like driving it, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, that is a good follow-up question. Mr. Only, what if a neighbor is carrying heavy bags?
You should offer to help them, Sarah.
Should I say, Can I help you with those bags, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, that is exactly what you should say.
They will probably say, thank you, Mr. Only.
Most people will be very grateful for your help, Sarah.
It's nice to be helpful to the people living near us, Mr. Only.
It builds a strong community, Sarah.
Mr. Only, I am feeling very confident about my greetings now.
I am glad to hear that, Sarah. You are speaking very clearly.
I am practicing every day, Mr. Only, just like you told me.
Practice makes perfect, Sarah. You are doing a great job.
Mr. Only, can we practice a greeting for a neighbor who is moving away?
Of course, Sarah. You can say, "We will miss you. I hope you like your new home, Sarah."
We will miss you. I hope you like your new home, Mr. Only. Is that right?
Yes, Sarah. That is very kind and polite.
I hope my neighbors never move away, Mr. Only. I like them.
I hope so too, Sarah. Good neighbors are a treasure.
Mr. Only, I have one more question. What do I say when I leave?
You can say, "Goodbye, have a wonderful day, Sarah."
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day, Mr. Only. That is easy to remember.
You can also say, "See you later," or "See you soon, Sarah."
See you later, Mr. Only. I like that one too.
It is very common and friendly, Sarah.
Thank you for all these examples, Mr. Only.
My pleasure, Sarah. Let us keep going. We have more to talk about.
Yes, Mr. Only. I want to learn more phrases for my cousins too.
Cousins are fun to talk to, Sarah. You can be more casual.
Can I say, hey, what's up, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. With cousins and close friends, "What's up" is fine.
What's up, Mr. Only? It feels very modern.
It is very popular with young people, Sarah.
I will use it with my younger cousins then, Mr. Only.
That is a good plan, Sarah. They will think you are very cool.
I want to be a cool cousin, Mr. Only.
You are already very cool, Sarah. Your English is getting better every minute.
Mr. Only, I am so happy we are doing this lesson together.
Me too, Sarah. It is a joy to help others learn.
Let us continue. What should I say if a neighbor invites me for tea?
You should say, "Thank you. I would love to come over for tea, Sarah."
Thank you. I would love to come over for tea, Mr. Only. Now I will explain the sentences. When we meet someone, we say hello. We can say good morning in the morning. We can say good afternoon in the afternoon. We can say good evening in the evening. These greetings are polite and kind. Listen to this short talk. Good morning, Mr. Only.
Good morning, Sarah.
How are you?
I am fine.
This is simple. We ask how someone is. We answer with, I am fine, or I am good. Here is another example. Good afternoon, Mr. Only.
Good afternoon, Sarah.
How is your family?
My family is fine.
You can talk about family. Use simple words. Another short talk. Good evening, Mr. Only.
Good evening, Sarah.
How was your day?
My day was good.
You can also say good night before sleep. Let us try again. Good night, Mr. Only.
Good night, Sarah.
Now more practice. Hello, Mr. Only.
Hello, Sarah.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
This is daily English. You can use it with neighbors. One more. Hello, Mr. Only.
Hello, Sarah.
Is your family well?
Yes, my family is well.
Repeat these sentences slowly. Practice every day.
We have come to the end of our lesson. You did a wonderful job today.
Yes, you did. We practiced many ways to say hello and talk to others.
Remember, Sarah and I are here to help you. English is a beautiful language.
It is a language that brings people together, Mr. Only.
That is right, Sarah. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly, Mr. Only. Every time you speak, you become stronger.
Be kind to yourself. Take your time. Listen to this lesson many times.
We believe in you. You have the power to learn English.
Thank you for joining us today, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. It was a pleasure as always.
Goodbye for now, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye. We will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.